So I had this idea because here in Denmark at Christmas time we usually braid the Christmas hearts in paper. So why not make them 3D printed? So I made this 1-layer print, and I tried to see if I could get the quality so it would actually work for braiding them. And here's how we usually do it. So one you take through, the other one over, and the next one through, and then you do the opposite with the next one, and then you braid them together. As I said, usually it's paper, but I thought why not 3D print them very thin and try and do it that way so they don't rip as easily as the paper ones does. We usually hang them up as Christmas decorations, either on the Christmas tree, on the windows, or wherever we want to. But yeah, this is a very Danish tradition. Hans Christian Andersen is the author that actually invented this braiding technique here in Denmark many years ago. So this is my version, 3D printed, and I made little characters out of it. This is a bear and a reindeer, or you can make them even just the bears, or you can do them just as plain hearts, and then you can hang them up. I hope you like them.